Welcome to Fountain Pen Fridays, where I talk about a fountain pen that I enjoy, and I think you would too. We're going to be talking about the Conklin Duragraph Abalone Nights fountain pen. Let's get into it. So, this features a broad nib, and the abalone shell is just beautiful as it reflects many colors as it hits the light. When you open up the fountain pen, you'll notice that there is a converter that is available for it, which means you can change the colors to suit your mood and style, featuring the Conklin around the barrel of the cap and on the top. If you tend to be a big, bold writer, this one will be to your liking. So jot down those memories in style and enjoy the Conklin Abalone Nights.